This is the tape of the aftermath of the sewage, raw sewage. That was in this basement, in this cellar.
What I come out here for?
I didn't want you to come out here with me. This is all our belongings that we had down here. And as you see, the furnace is not working because the sewage blew out the motor. And we have been cold for 3 weeks. And we have been breathing in the fumes of raw waste. The final report says that the problem with the drain was not our fault. It was the trees impeded the pipes. Oh, this the motor right here. Oh, the problem was those tree limbs, baby wipes, and sludge. This is the door that's off its hinges. No hinges at all. This door doesn't even shut. You can go on in the house, huh? And they left my light on, which is electricity.